Away from that, the minority in Parliament is calling for a suspension of the ongoing security service recruitment exercise to ensure challenges associated with the process are addressed. Speaking on the floor of Parliament, the minority leader Alexander Afenyomarkin says attempts by over 500,000 youth to be recruited into the security service pose a security threat to Ghana's democracy.
Can the recruitment exercise be suspended so that these things are properly ironed out? Because the system that has been introduced, Mr. Speaker, for want of a better word, is duping the youth. The students, the youth are being duped. It's like a scam. How can you go to an IT, a so-called AI platform? You want to go to immigration, then it asks you what is the size of a basketball court. If 500,000 youths are unemployed and they bought forms with the expectation of getting access, then let's be careful. Because 50,000 alone on the streets we can't contain. Let us begin to use this as a trigger, as an early warning to formulate policies that would help transform the country. If we have not paid attention, it's a serious security threat. 500,000.